I think I should get one of them men dresses.
I should really put my trainers and my shorts on and my sports bra and gone for a run this morning. Thank you for your help. Bye-bye. Nice place. Lovely place. Mr. Birdman. Shabba. No. He's known as the Birdman, is the owner of that place. He takes people out on his little rowing boat onto the laguna here and points out all the birds. His knowledge is outstanding. However, because there were nobody else doing it today, two things: it were going to cost me more, and I'm not really into birds. It's getting into afternoon. I didn't want to stay here another night. I want to progress a bit down south, so I've decided not to do. It would have been nice to have done it, but anyway. So we're leaving. I haven't actually put in where we're going yet, which is not clever. So this bit of road I've just been driving on, it's got massive potholes, deep potholes. So consequently, the vehicles that are coming in the opposite direction just suddenly veer out into the middle of the road to avoid one of these potholes. So I've been caught out a few times with DIY speed bumps with no signage to warn you that they're there. So I don't know who's put these speed bumps here, or indeed why. I'd be very surprised if I hadn't buckled my front wheels, because I've hit some of them pretty hard. This road's got pretty shit. Yeah, that's my mud flaps scraping. Oh, this is fun, isn't it?
Well, now I hit the road, feeling fine, rolling down south past the olive and pine. But every little town got a trick in store, a concrete hump that'll rattle your core. Yeah, they bump ya, shake you like the tambourine, they thump ya. I'm feeling every little scene down in Morocco, baby. They got a speed bump scene.
Out in the thick of it here. Yeah. So that experience I've just had is what you get when you program your sat-nav to avoid toll roads, and I wouldn't change that for the world. I would hate to see Morocco just from these beautiful, clean, fast-moving toll roads. It's not really Morocco, is it? I mean, this is where the tip is. It's just rubbish tipped here. I wouldn't see this. You know, you've got to see the real place, haven't you? You can't just see the shiny bits. I can't lie, it's challenging driving, is this? Day 2. So that's my first petrol station, and pretty straightforward. Tenant comes out to help, able to do it for you. And I checked with him first of all about card, and it wasn't card, it was cash only. So you can't take it for granted. So it's only day 2, but already I've noticed the big difficulty here is that everybody wants to talk to you. Just say hello, everybody's waving. If I'm like walking down the street, everybody's wanted to talk to me basically, which is really lovely, but it does mean that there's an element of it being uncomfortable, being the centre of attention everywhere you go.
Every market stall, a glimpse of the old in this beautiful chaos. I feel young and bold, no midlife crisis here, just a path to unfold with the heart of a wanderer and the spirit of gold. Friends along the way, laughter fills the space. In this cozy little home, there's always room to grace as I navigate the roads at my own easy pace. Midlife is a journey, not a race. No regrets, just a heart that's free, exploring this land where I'm meant to be. Rolling through markets, colors come alive. Each moment a treasure, I finally thrive. With my motorbike, I feel alive and bold. In this chapter of life, watch the stories unfold. From Marrakech nights to the Sahara sun. Midlife ain't a crisis, it's just begun.
So we've got all the usual suspects here. There's McDonald's, Decathlon, all the big stores. Haven't seen a Lidl yet. Well, this is a different world, isn't it? There's more police checks. I've just gone through a police check. But look at this. No litter anywhere. What a contrast. It's quite unbelievable, actually. Just 10 minutes that way, it's strewn with litter, plastic in particular. And here there is nothing at all. It's impeccable. Absolutely impeccable. Look. And there's a guy keeping it impeccable. So there's army, police, all kinds of stuff going on. It looks like a royal guard to the right here. I wonder if the palace is here. So if you arrived to Rabat by airplane, the airport is just on the right, and this is what you'd be greeted with. You know, would be your impression of Morocco. It's not a true reflection. There's no donkeys, for starters. No donkeys and no litter. And there's just an army of people keeping the verges at the side here absolutely pristine. I can't get over how different Rabat is to anything I've seen so far. It's unbelievable. The Vanlife mine. Well, that looks like something out of Star Trek.
Your destination is on the left.
So this is what you think of. This is what I think of when I think of Morocco. So I don't normally do cities and stuff like that, but this is a little bit different, eh? I think I should get one of them men dresses and I'll blend in more. Okay, no, I don't do it. Very clever. I live in a camper, so I have no space for anything. So this is how everybody's getting from one side to the other, rather than walking all the way over to that bridge over there. So it's the morning after coffee. I'm still using my Christmas cup. That's wrong, isn't it? Right, that's the last time I'm using the Christmas cup, then that's going away. So I don't feel like I'm looking my best today, but nobody knows me, apart from, I guess, the fact that I'm putting it on the internet. Could have done with cutting my hair and stuff like that, but I want to get going. It's already 10 to 10, believe it or not. That seems to be what happens now. Yeah, it's just unbelievable how the time flies. Don't matter what time I wake up. I don't set an alarm usually unless I've got to be somewhere, but I don't tend to wake up late, and usually, like, you know, with the sun coming up, so at the latest it'll be like 8 o'clock at the moment. But how come it takes... I've not even had breakfast today. It's just what happens, I guess. Anyway, we're going for a wander. Want to get some cash out and see some sights and then get out of here. Noticed a few cats, stray cats. So I'm right here in the centre of the capital city, just parked up here, right where it's all happening. It's completely free of charge, although you do get those guys who come and try and assist you to park by pointing at a parking space when there's loads and then holding the hand out. I am super excited to be here in Rabat, really excited. It's just incredible here. It's so different to what I've seen so far, which you'd expect. It's the capital, but even so, it's for the capital city, it's just impeccable what I've seen so far. There is so much to see here. I'm not going to try and do the like you do in Rome, where you want to get round and see absolutely everything there is to see. I'm just going to go see a few highlights, carry on where I finished off yesterday, and then get on the trip south. Look at this. Shall I get my kayak out? I probably should. I've been really unhealthy for the last 2 months. I've been doing a lot of eating and drinking with friends and stuff. It's been Christmas period. I should really have put my trainers and my shorts on and my sports bra and gone for a run this morning. And this is what it looks like before everyone's set up.
The wall
Yeah.
and UNESCO in 2016.
Okay.
Then 2018, before COVID time,
Yeah.
the UNESCO gave the big project in the old city for restoration.
Yeah.
This is in the summer.
Okay.
The summer what you can eat in the couscous.
Yeah.
You know?
Yeah, yeah.
This is amlou.
Is it hot?
No,
Okay.
sweet.
Okay.
That's, you know what is this? This is from argan.
Okay.
You know the argan we have, not the one
Yeah.
argan.
Yeah.
No, because tomorrow
Yeah.
mini shop is closed.
What's this?
The place residential of 5 family live here.
Your family?
No, it's 3 pieces. No, it's unreal.
Oh, beautiful.
هذا باش كعمرو. Yeah. And
Yeah.
the couscous. Look, his name here.
Yeah, lots of couscous. Yeah. Smells nice and fresh here.
Sure. Because all the look,
All the
this
fresh
is
ingredients.
Bio. This is all. This is bio.
Yeah, it's
Many
beautiful.
people we have diabetic. We have some problem.
Bonjour. Bless you.
Have the Berber. We have. خويا الله يحفظك. أخي الله يحفظك أخي اسمح لنا الله يرحم الوالد. Take your pictures and after I show you to stay.
Yeah.
For take your very nice
Breakfast.
breakfast.
Okay. Original.
Yeah. Look, the time is here, sir.
Yeah.
Look, the construction in 1150 and the restoration in 1327.
Yeah. It's very different.
Well, look at now his Berber. The first one brown is Arabic.
the brown
the
is
second
Arabic.
one, the second one is Berber. But for read for students, the Arabic the right in the left, but the Berber now the left in the right.
So
This is this
this
is
one,
Berber.
the one at the top left.
Yeah, no, we
No.
students the left and the right. The Arabic is this way. You students the right and the left.
Yeah. So the Berber is the brown
This way.
or the blue.
No, the blue one.
The
in
blue at the top.
The left.
Okay.
The Berber. This is Berber. And the first one, brown, is Berber. And the other, second one is Berber. Arabic is the first one, brown.
Okay. And so tell me again, because I didn't understand it. I was there looking
Look,
to see.
this- the Berber
so
is this way.
You read the direction.
The direction left and right.
So same as English.
Same in Europe.
Yeah.
Arabic, no. The right in the left.
Okay. But you're still from the top. You're
In
still
top,
from the
yeah.
top. Yeah. Okay. Is that cheese?
It's not. This is like fromage
Okay. Yeah.
traditional.
Yeah. Okay.
It's very nice. Because, please, sir, for me the pictures is difficult. Because I am Muslim, I application the religious.
Yeah.
Because the Prophet we do have pictures. My wife is me.
Okay. No, I didn't know that. Thank you. Wow.
This time.
And does this bread go? Will this bread be for sale?
What you have seen food there?
Yeah.
Do you have it
Yeah, come and get it from here.
like this?
Right. Okay.
Architect is not safe.
And these are open, so this is still
Yes,
Jewish.
Yeah.
Watch.
Yeah, thank you. Perfect.
So that's the original well.
Yeah.
Yeah. So this was an interesting experience. We got a taxi to the other side of the river to a place called Saleh, which is like the old town, if you like. We'd not long set off in the taxi when it stopped and somebody jumped in. And then that happened again, and then again. It got to the point where there were 4 people sat in the back, and I thought, if it stops again, someone's going to be sat on my lap. It was more like a bus service than a taxi.
Yeah, I like this. All this view, all this view.
You know, when you compare it to going to a supermarket in England, and you have so little choice, and you come here and it's just streets and streets and streets and streets and stuff. It's fantastic.
The henna for a tattoo. For
Yeah. It's incredible.
Yeah.
It's a restoration, but it's restored to how it used to look. So this is where they used to sell the slaves.
All the market like this time.
Yeah, it's nice.
Your name now is Ali Baba.
What do you think? Are these too short?
No, it's normal.
It's normal.
Normal.
Okay. Wow. Oh, and it goes all the way over there.
Look.
Okay. It's like the...
This direction to the orientation to the Mecca.
Yeah.
Arc. It's blue Andalusian.
Yeah.
Andalusian blue is light.
No microphone on, so hopefully it's not going to be windy. I've had a fabulous day with Ahmad. Showed me around. It cost me 80 dirhams, which is about, I don't know, 70 quid. It was well worth it, I've got to say, because I've seen both sides. I've seen Rabat and Saleh. Saleh is the more original city of Morocco, for this area anyway, whereas Rabat is the administrative capital. It's very nice. I'm going to try and get a ferry, well, I say a ferry, I'm going to try and get a little boat across to the other side. I think I might be at the right place here, I'm not sure. So I'm really glad I did that, and the 2 guys that I was chatting to refused to let me pay my fare. They paid it for me, which was very kind of them. Such lovely people here. I haven't met anybody who isn't lovely. I actually think this could be my new winter home. I can't tell you enough how much I've absolutely loved Rabat. It's absolutely beautiful here. Beautiful, look at this. I could have spent a lot longer here, a lot longer. So I really hope you enjoyed coming along with me and that you liked this video. If you did, please give me a big thumbs up, subscribe down below, and I'll see you in the next video.
Had a full cup of coffee, steady in hand. Now it's paid across the dashboard and the fan. Even the sat-nav yelled, what the hell was that? I said, that my friend is Moroccan, come back. Yeah, they dump ya. Your cupboard's all exposed. They dump ya on the roughest piece of road. But I still roll on laughing. That's the big yellow coat.